This problem, they give us the equation and saying we have a $25 gift card and then we're going and ordering cheeseburgers that cost $1.25 each. Okay, so first of all, there's a little typo here. This should say 1.25C, so my mistake there. Okay, so what we have to do is it says how many cheeseburgers can he buy with the gift card? Okay, so $25 is what we start with, minus $1.25 for each cheeseburger. Okay, now if we use up all the money, in the end, the amount of money I want to have left is going to be $0. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to solve this equation to figure out how many cheeseburgers I can afford to buy. Well, the first thing I'll do is subtract $25 from each side. It's going to be negative 25 is equal to negative 1.25 times C, the number of cheeseburgers. All right, now the opposite of a multiply by 1.25 is divide by negative 1.25. Well, a negative divided by negative is a positive, so now I'm just going to do 25 divided by 1.25 in a calculator, and that comes out to be 20. So I can afford to buy 20 cheeseburgers, and that will result in $25 because each cheeseburger was $1.25. Now it says which of the following represents the domain for this situation. So the domain is the acceptable x values. So this in this case is basically the number of cheeseburgers. That's what the domain would be. Okay, well, the fewest number of cheeseburgers you could buy is actually 0. Okay, you can't, so $0. All right, and then ultimately, you can't buy negative cheeseburgers. So if you look at the answer choices, well, domain is your x value. In this case is cheeseburgers. Okay, so we're going to immediately eliminate A and B because those are talking about your total amount of money. Where domain is, in this case, the number of cheeseburgers. Well, can you have negative cheeseburgers? No, so this one doesn't make any sense. So you have to have positive cheeseburgers. You can buy 0 cheeseburgers or more. Okay? And that is how you would approach those.